going on, everybody? It's your boy Rome 300. I'm back again with another video. Thank you for joining me on He Smells Like Rome. For all those who have come back and watched your boy, I truly appreciate it. Those who have joined me for the first time, I am a fragrance reviewer / comedian, and this is a channel you need to come to if you're trying to get those unique, dope, fresh fragrances that no one is talking about but your boy. Alright, so you saw the title. This is an unboxing and a special giveaway. Yes, I'm doing another giveaway for all my subscribers, and I'll let you know exactly what I'm giving away in a few seconds. But I just want y'all to enjoy this. Just enjoy this unboxing, okay? Here we go. Alright guys, I hope y'all enjoyed that unboxing. I did a review on that fragrance already, so I'll leave the link in the description below so you can check the review out of the fragrance. This has been a fragrance I've been dying to get for over a year and a half. It's just been kind of hard to get because it's in Paris. There's one place in California that sells it, but I just didn't have the funds to purchase it. But now I have the fragrance and I'm super excited that I can actually show you the bottle. I only had like a decant of it before, but you can check out the full review of this beautiful fragrance. This is, like you guys saw, there's no secret. I'm just saying, look at that, look at that. Oh my God, that is so freaking gorgeous. Everything about this is just beautiful, guys. But quick rundown, musky. It has a dryness to it. There's an amber sweet. It has a almost a desert-like feel to it. I'm telling you guys, go check the review out. Even Sophie, the creator of the line, was nice enough to join me on that review. So go check that review out. I know you're like, Ramon, get to the giveaway, man. What is the giveaway? All right, so the giveaway is I'm giving away to one of my lucky subscribers a full bottle of this beautiful fragrance, Musk Ambergris. Yes, I'm giving away a full bottle courtesy of Evanescence. This is not sponsored. They did not pay me to do this. This is just out of Sophie's just kind heart. She said, hey, give away one of the fragrances to one of your subscribers. I said, I'll do that. This is a $375 bottle I'm giving away. I was going to keep it, but I said, that's kind of selfish. So, one lucky subscriber get this. I'm not done. We got 2 more things we're giving away. I'm going to give away another nice gift from Evanescence. The second winner will get a nice discovery set with all of the fragrances in there, 2 ml decants in there, so you get to check out the whole line and experience it, and then you go buy your own bottle. We're not gonna stop there though. We're gonna do another giveaway. Third winner will get the same thing, a sample case, sample set, however you want to say it. Same thing. Only thing you gotta do is subscribe to my channel, be a subscriber, comment down below on if you like, you know, ambergris, if you have an ambergris fragrance, what's your favorite one, and also like this video. Share it if you can, I would truly appreciate that. But I'm going to randomly select one of these guys or girls to follow my channel, and I know if you subscribe, don't just be commenting and you're not subscribing, okay, because you ain't gonna get shit. But that's pretty much it, guys. I hope y'all enjoyed it. My setup is a little different because I told you guys, if y'all watching, my computer got messed up. I have a whole new setup here with my computer, so I can record, I can edit, and I can do a little gaming also. So I hope you guys get ready for some nice editing videos now, not just me randomly putting videos out there. Alright, that's it. That's pretty much it, guys. Alright, I'm out. Until next time, like I always say, it's okay if you want to smell like Rome. I'll check you guys out on the next video. Until then, peace.